Hey guys, welcome back to Ponder and Creations Farm. Just gonna go around and do a couple things today, so I thought I'd take y'all along.
When you've got what you want, maybe I should start over.
So Miss Petunia is doing just great. She just loves her formula, which I've been giving her 2 times a day, and she's definitely growing quickly.
Maybe I should start over. There's nothing left to want, open letter again. You don't know what you want.
So here's the deal with the goats and the alfalfa pellets. Because I started giving them to Petunia, I felt so bad that these guys just needed them. Like an evil mother just giving them to her. So I started just giving them a little bit each in the afternoon. A nice treat. Come on. There you go. There you go. So it is not a big surprise that the goats drank all their water from today. So we're gonna go ahead and go fill that up right now. I'm gonna pick these guys some weeds here. And we get chased in because of the rain. So now we'll just feed some fish. Get these guys fed. These guys' pond is being built as we speak. Oh. A bit much. Done some. I'm gonna head in the house because I do not want to get stuck in this downpour. I will feed the other fish along the way. And here's Petunia. She's like, oh, it's raining. Go in, honey. Go in, you don't want to get wet. Come on, sweet girl. Get in there. Get in there. And I'm glad it rained because it's going to cool everything down. We have summer camp tomorrow, Adventure Days. So we're going to have the kids here. And if it is raining, we will be playing a lot of table tennis. And we have a paint project going on. So the kids will still have a lot of fun. And we can still plan our adventures for Friday. We're going to walk to the train tunnel, and I'll be doing a video for that. And that'll be fun. And then this weekend, we actually have the paint party going on Saturday. So yesterday we were at the Queen Zoo. So just because my video is a little short today, I'm going to pop in some clips of some of the animals that we saw. So enjoy those. they're taking turns.